This is the Purple Iris channel. I make things, eat healthy, plan daily, and review products. Thanks for tuning in. Hello. I am showing that I have received my package from Etsy. I had ordered stickers from WonderStickersCo. That's the logo. I wanted to zoom in to show her logo. I'm opening the package. It was very neatly packaged in a bubble envelope, and as you can see, I'm struggling to get it open without ripping the plastic, but I did not succeed, and I did rip the plastic. For my first order, because this is the first time I have ordered from Etsy, I just ordered one sticker sheet of the ombre heart checklists, and I ordered the Erin Condren horizontal boxes in the ombre heart checklist. And I don't remember the pattern. I do have my packing slip. It is the romance pattern, and it's the ombre hearts checklist, and I received that as my free gift. Some bow boxes. I also measured the ombre heart checklist. They were 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, and the bow boxes were 1 inch by 1.5 inches. I purchased them to use in my But God First Happy Planner. I don't have an Erin Condren, but I bought it to use in my horizontal But God First Happy Planner. And they fit, those ombre heart checklists fit. They're 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, so they will fit in the horizontal Happy Planner that I'm using right now. I'm also going to be using my Friction erasable pens, and they are the 0.7 tip. Again, I'm showing the measurement of the stickers versus the measurement of the planner space and how I'm going to use it, and they will fit. So I'm looking forward to using it. I hope to do a plan with me for the week of April 23rd through the 29th on Thursday.